What's up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day, great night, depending on where you're at in the world or when you're watching this video. We are going to talk about XLM Stellar today, guys. They have absolutely been winning this initial run up into the bull run. They have absolutely been killing it and absolutely been killing the charts. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get right in. We're going to get right after it. But let's hit that like button. Let's hit that share button. And let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and we are about to talk about XLM and where they're at and where they can possibly go. You guys know that I love my coin market cap or my trading view charts, but we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna hit on these crypto bubbles here because I do like these as well. So we're gonna give you guys a quick a quick overview of the market. Let you know where everything stands as recording this video. Right now, Bitcoin sitting at 97,600 on a pullback a little bit from the past couple of days, and Ethereum sitting at $3,349. Again, just a little bit of a pullback, but we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about Stellar, guys, which is an absolute beast right now. It is sitting right now at number 12 on overall market cap, guys. And this is an absolute phenomenal run. It's come from down here in the 20 to 21, 22-ish area all the way up to take over this number 12 spot. It has jumped the likes of Tonecoin, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, okay, it's Sui, Pepe, Near Protocol. It has jumped a lot of big, huge projects, even Aptos, to get up to where it is now, right? At number 12. And what a remarkable run this has been on. It's currently sitting at 54 cents right now, coming up from right around 12 cents, which will between 9 and 12 cents, which we'll get into in just a second here. You see this little day chart that they're on, but the percent gains are what we're going to look at here. Over a week, you're looking at 179% up. Over a month, you're looking at 484% up. These are massive, massive gains just over the past month. And why do we call these massive gains? Well, in order for us to really understand that, let's take a look and see where we were at just a couple weeks ago. So we're over here on the trading view chart now, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some price action for Stellar. As you can see, Stellar had a good run up in the last bull run around 2021, right here. Here it is. You know, it topped off. It topped off right around. Let's see here, somewhere up in this whole 90-cent range, right? Call it what it is, somewhere up in there. But as you guys can see through this whole bear market, this thing has just been absolutely trading sideways in this tunnel ever since about 2000. This we're over here on this one is September. You know, we can even pull it back further than that, and we can look at going into May of 2022. It had a couple run ups, as you guys can see, a couple little pumps here and there, up to about 18 cents here. Probably about 12 cents here. But other than that, it's been trading in here between this 9 and 10-cent range since 2022, right? So what's happened over the past couple days? Well, what's happened is this right here. Stellar has absolutely went on a massive tear, right? Up to almost the 60-cent level, right? Right now, it's currently sitting at what did we say? 54 cents, 55 cents. Is starting to come up a little bit. It's absolutely been on this massive tear. This is the day chart here, guys. So as you guys can see, it started here off of this 9-cent level and just has absolutely started to make this monster run up all the way to about the 50. Let's call it 60 to 65 cent area. So busted into the 65-cent area, right? In a sense, come down to 55 cents, about a 10-cent drop. Not too bad, but it's been an absolute tear. Here's the problem with this. Like, love to see this, and we're going to get into where I think XLM will go here pretty soon. But there's no liquidity. All the liquidity is down here, so there's really no support. unless you pull it back here to 2022, where we're looking right around this 37 cent area, right? So XLM has a possibility of coming back down and starting to build some of these support lines, some of these liquidity lines, right? But the good part is here, if you really look at where it's really headed up to that dollar mark, right? With a little bit of retracement here, a little bit of retracement there, it's going to come down a little bit, but it's going to start to build these massive support structures as it did, down here at this 9 and 10 cent levels. It'll start to build these massive support structures and just start to bounce off of them and just start to move to the upside, right? As you've seen happen all the way back here in 2021, it kind of did the same thing, right? Had this massive run up, started to build some of these support lines, and had right up in here, and had this massive run up again, right? Before it started to work its way down here in the bear market. But it's going to do the same thing over here. So where I see XLM really hitting that dollar 50 range with ease, actually. So XLM is really the biggest winner here in this bull run, with massive upside coming, right? And isn't that the key? We want some massive upside. And XLM has shown the ability for that massive upside, as you guys seen from them charts and things. It's actually moved up 10 spots according to market cap. So that tells you that there's a lot of built up trading people that were sitting on the sidelines, really waiting to get into XLM. And that tells you that XLM has a massive volume push within it, and it continues to push to the upside. So dollar 50 is definitely on the table. There will be some dips before there's some automatic run up. We will not see just a clear green line up to that dollar 50 mark. We'll see some retracements and bounce off some new structure that it builds, but it's going to build new support and resistance lines, guys. And that's important for you guys to understand. But XLM is on its way to a dollar, in my opinion, and the chart is absolutely looking phenomenal. Volume's absolutely looking phenomenal, and it is absolutely just putting some of these other projects that have been putting a ton of work in, and that everybody has been talking about. It is actually just blowing right by them. So with that, guys, hit that like, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys' time. Be back at you guys at the next one.